everyone, my name is Brandy Lofton. Thank you so much for joining me for this HIIT workout session today. I am excited to be here. I hope you are excited for this workout. Some of you may be already familiar with me as @BrandyLou88 on Instagram or as Brandy Lofton on YouTube. I am a natural hair lover and fitness enthusiast, and I'm just excited to be here before you today. Like I said, we're going to be doing a HIIT workout, and HIIT stands for high intensity interval training. It is an effective form of cardio that does not take a lot of time at all. So I'm going to keep this intro really short so we can go ahead and jump into stretching and then the actual workout. And then we're going to do a quick cool down as we segue into the next segment of this virtual renew day. So let's go ahead and get this music started because I can't work out and do things without music. I don't know if it's just me, but I got to have some music going. So let's go ahead and warm up and stretch a little bit to loosen the body up. It needs to be limber before jumping right into a workout. So give me a few arm swings just to open up the upper body, focusing on your breathing right now as well. Now at high intensity interval training, what that includes is basically doing intervals where it's going to be 30 to 45 seconds of you giving it your all, doing as many reps as possible, and then taking 15 to 30 seconds of a break to let your heart rate come down just a little bit and jumping right back into the high intensity part of the workout again. So I encourage you to go at your own pace while we're doing this workout. Don't feel like you need to do the moves as great or as hard as I'm doing them. Try to focus on your form for the most part. Okay, let's bring it all the way up and down the middle. And just have fun with it. Working out is all about taking care of yourself and also having fun. You don't have to be too uptight with it. This is my time of the day where I get to have me time, you know? Let's slowly bring it up, take it to the right. So I really enjoy this and just let go. So hopefully you guys will do the same thing. This will energize you and motivate you to get moving and do a little cardio, a little strength training or something in your daily activities. Take it down to the left. Stretch those hamstrings out. Roll it on up. I want us to now go into some deep squats. Open up those hips a little bit. Take it down, back up, down, back up. If you want to get a little sassy with it, you can do some jump squats even. Get your heart rate up a little bit more, okay? Let's do 2 more. Then we're going to go into some light jumping jacks just to get our heart revved up a little bit. Let's do about 10 of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I want you to now continue to stretch, loosen your body up for, a few more minutes while I show you guys what the moves are that we're going to be doing today. Whew, take some deep breaths also. So the first move is going to be squats with alternating toe touches. I'm going to show you what the move is and then also a modification. So we're going down into a squat, bringing our arms up, touching the toes, back down, other side, back down, other side. Modification is just going down halfway, bringing those feet up and those toes up halfway. As much as you can, do what you can do. Okay, so that's the first move that we're going to be doing. Next, we're going to be doing burpees. I have a love-hate relationship with these. Very effective, but they do take a lot out of you. So typical burpee, coming down with our hands, jump back, back flat, jump up, small jump at the top. Hands down, jump back, forward and up. Modification, down, step back, take a beat, step forward, up, down, step back, step forward, up. That's the second move. Then next we're going to be doing 180 jumps. These also take a lot out of you, but they're very effective. So we're here into about a half squat position. Our arms are going to be propelling us over. So we're here, jump over, arms straight up and down. Up, down, up, down. Modification. You're in that half squat, step over, arms up, bend to the down position. Like so. Continue staying in a slight squat the entire time. Last move. We're taking it to the mat, into that plank position, and we're taking our right knee to touch our left elbow. Opposite side, keeping that back straight the entire time. Modification. If you can't get on the floor, you're here with it. And I want you going opposite elbow to opposite knee. Making sure that core is nice and tight, like so. All right, those are the 4 moves. Your girl is already winded, so y'all know we're about to get a good burn in. So I'm about to go ahead and start the timer. We're gonna get in 3 sets of this workout and get to it. Here we go. First 30 seconds, squat alternating toe touches. As many as you can. All the way down in that squat. Bring those legs up as much as you can instead of punching your back over. 5 more seconds. Give it to me. All right, let's take a break. 30-second rest as we move into that next exercise, those burpees. Deep breath. Feel free to take a water break if you need to. You know your body, do what it needs. Five seconds, and we're going into the burpees. All right, let's get it. Jump up. Max effort. Five seconds. All right, break. Deep breath. Do not sit down. That's the worst thing to do. Ten more seconds. 180 jumps. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Arms straight. Power through. Seconds. Break. Next move, we're taking it to the mat. Doing those side tucks. Whoo, y'all. Stay in there with me. This is just the first set, okay? All right, let's go ahead and take it down. 5 seconds. All right, let's go. Back straight. Do those modifications. Keep that core tight. Bang those reps out. As many as you can. Full force. Taking deep breaths. If you need to take a break, do it. Get right back into it. All right, break. Take it up. Then we're about to do that whole set again. Give more force and effort this time. You know the moves, stick them. Keep it up, okay? Challenge yourself a little more this next set. 10 seconds out. Doing those squat alternating toe touches. 3, 2, 1, let's go. You can do it a little bit faster, even do that. Get that heart rate pumping. Arms full swing. Deep squat. 10 more seconds. I know you got it in you. You can do it. So let's do it. Break. All right. Favorite coming up, burpees. Remember, do those modifications. There's no shame in doing a modification, okay? Just keep it going. 10 more seconds and we're back into it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Powerful jump. And break. Whew. Next, those 180 jumps. 10 more seconds. Go ahead, set it up. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Stick that landing. Bring it up. Look forward to that next 30-second break. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Deep breaths. Fifteen seconds out. Going back down on the mat. Plank position. Alternating knee tucks. Let's go. Take note of that form. Core tight. Twist. Get those obliques fired up and working. All right, great. Whew. One more set. We can do this. This is when I get real hype. Like last set, let's go. Let's go all out. Y'all might think I'm crazy, but this is when my energy really gets flowing, okay? 10 seconds. We got it. Squat alternating toe touches. Give me all you got. Clean that tank out. Down, touch. Down. Deep squats. This is allowing our heart rate to come down a little bit while we're still active and moving. This is called active rest. Keep going, keep it moving, and break. All right, burpees are next. I hope y'all have been able to hear the music because that's what's been powering me through. haven't been able to hear it, I'm sorry. But look, let's get it. 5 seconds out, burpee time. Take it down, jump back, up, jump at the top. Take it back. Give me those ups. Play basketball. You know about those ups. Trying to make it in there. Working on your dunk. Give it to me. 5 seconds. One more. Here we go. Break. $180 jumps next. 15 seconds. You ain't sweating. I don't know what workout you've been doing, but I'm drenched right now. All right, let's set it up. 4 seconds out. 1, let's go. Keep it going. You're not tired. It's mind over matter. Your body does what your mind tells it to do. You say we got 5 more minutes, guess what? The body will adjust. Keep it going. Break. Whew. One more move. And then it's on to the cool down. Whew. 10 more seconds. Take it down to the mat. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Finish strong. You don't want at the end to feel like you've wasted 10 to 12 minutes of your time playing around. Get it done. Keep it going. All right. And break. Whew. Take a 30-second break to hydrate a little bit while we get ready to move into our cool down, okay? All right, you guys, so let's get into this cool down. Thank you for joining me for this workout. You did amazing. Hopefully this has inspired you to keep it going. We're gonna continue our cool down as I introduce Dr. Jen, who is the head of research and development for the brand Sunday to Sunday. I personally use the product, so she's gonna be coming on to chat with us, give us some science and knowledge about these products. So please stay tuned, continue to cool down with me. And now I'm gonna pass it off to Dr. Jen or either Vakoya, and they're gonna continue this session with us.